Tesla's Sentry Mode has had a huge problem that no one is talking about, but people like you and I are slowly starting to catch on. What is this problem, you may be wondering? It relates to the significant phantom battery drain your Tesla experiences each time you leave Sentry Mode on. However, I do have some breaking news about a Sentry Mode software update you don't want to miss that is coming in the very near future. And in case you're thinking, how the hell does this guy even know? Well, my source is directly from Tesla's SVP of Powertrain and Energy. Now, it is first important to understand how Sentry Mode currently works. When enabled, your Tesla's cameras and sensors remain powered on and ready to record suspicious activity around your vehicle when your Tesla is locked and in park. Think of Sentry Mode as an intelligent vehicle security system that alerts you when it detects possible threats nearby. If a threat is detected, Sentry Mode pulses the headlights, sounds the alarm, and displays a message on the touchscreen indicating that the cameras may be recording to inform creeps outside the vehicle. Also, the mobile app alerts you of the alarm and the footage of the event is saved to the USB drive. That is, of course, if you have it actually plugged into your glove box. However, Sentry Mode is disabled by default. You can use voice commands or the Tesla mobile app to easily enable or disable Sentry Mode. Why should you place value on Sentry Mode? Well, it is needed now more than ever as we continue to see a rise in vehicle theft and vandalism. Forbes reported in the US there are over 1 million car thefts as of 2022. That's the latest data I could find, and that equates to 2 stolen vehicles every minute, which is insane. There are channels on YouTube dedicated to showing Sentry Mode footage of this vandalism and break-ins, like Wham Bam Tesla Cam, for example. This footage time and time again has benefited Tesla owners in convicting these pathetic criminals. And there was even a time where a politician, that's right, you heard that correctly, a politician was caught vandalizing a Tesla, and Elon Musk chimed in by saying, "Poetic justice." Nice. He then went on to say, Sentry Mode fundamentally empowers the individual car owner over entrenched interests, in this case a corrupt traffic judge. Tesla doesn't have access to the video unless sent to us by the owner. Now, all of this sounds amazing, but there are 2 caveats. Sentry Mode requires your battery to be at least 20% charged. If the battery falls below 20%, Sentry Mode turns off, and the mobile app sends you a notification. And the bigger caveat that I alluded to at the start of the video is a significant battery consumption when Sentry Mode is active. I personally have experienced 5% drain on average per day when I do not drive, don't open the Tesla app, and leave my Model Y parked. Now, if you're in your house and it is plugged into a home charger, this may not be a problem. However, what if you wanted to leave your Tesla parked in an airport with Sentry Mode on and you're away for weeks or even months? You may come back to a Tesla with 20% battery or less, which is not great. The good news is Tesla agrees that this is a problem, and the SVP of Powertrain and Energy recently posted this on Twitter X after Joseph asked, "Are you guys doing anything to reduce the vampire drain when Sentry Mode is active?" With a reply from Drew stating, "Agreed. Sentry Mode power consumption needs improvement. The team is working to reduce by approximately 40% in a Q2 software update, which is a significant improvement. But the question is, how will they do this?" One Twitter X user named Max suggested maybe also considered scheduled Sentry Mode. He went on to say, for example, 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. it can be enabled, since that is when car break-ins are more likely to happen. Now, I think this is an interim solution, and you can technically do this now manually by toggling Sentry Mode on before going to sleep and then back off in the morning when you wake up. But that would require you to remember to do it every day, which is kind of annoying. But let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this? Have you found this to be an issue, and are you excited to see Tesla coming up with a solution? I personally think it's a game-changing update, and guess what? You need to subscribe to keep updated in all Tesla content. Have a good day.